So we're out here in Encino, California. We're doing about 1,800 square feet. You can see they made the classic mistake of putting the topical acrylic coating sealers outside. You can see how frosty it looks. We always call it like the frosty donut. You can see what Roro's doing here is he's stripping it all off. You can see it's really thick in the ground, so he's cutting out some of the thicker blobs because it's just so thick. There's no other way to do it. And now he's getting it so thin, now he can hit it with the stripper and get the rest of it off. That's just the detail that we're doing that machines and other things don't do. That's why we do it all by hand. But the purpose of the video, though, is, as usual, is don't put these sealers out here. I'm telling you guys, man, they don't do what they're supposed to do, and eventually you start having problems with it. You want to be using more of like a waterproofing sealer for the outside. But you can see how nice it looks. All the colors starting to come back in them. You know, we got rid of this frosty glazed haze off of them. And you can see how nice and colorful they are. You know, up underneath under there and everything. So you can see the grout joints are cleaning up really, really nice. It's going to look great. So remember, just stay informed, people. Like us, subscribe, share. When you're putting these in, don't just let your tile guy seal your shit. Ask him, what are you using? And then if he says, I'm using this and it's a shiny topical sealer going outside, we'll tell him I don't want that. Because not only did they put it on out here, they didn't do it right. So it's not even sealing anyway. And you can see what it's doing. It just turns all white and frosty. Now all these beautiful tiles under it are hard to find. Now this right here is more of like water damage. So this will attack with the acid, and the acid should eat this stuff off and we'll get rid of that. So anyway though, like I said, you guys got to be really careful and really just plan, you know, the stuff, you know, or I guess you should ask the guy you have an install it, your contractor, your tile guy, really ask him what he's going to be sealing the stuff with, and, you know, just make sure that, you know, they're not putting the shiny stuff on here. So anyway, like us, subscribe, share, stay informed.
Let's see what the heck.